Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a quarantine vlog because I'm actually going outside, which rarely happens. Only time I go outside like out is when I go grocery shopping, and that's what I'm doing this morning. So I'm taking you guys along, well, not to the grocery shopping part probably, only because it's like not sanitary to like be in the store even though I have like gloves on and like take my phone out and like touch it, you know. So to go to 3 stores, Walmart, Stop and Shop, and Dollar Tree. I need to change because we're leaving in about like 15 minutes, so I need to like get ready. Basically this is quarantine, so let's see where the day takes us. Waist training right now, and honestly waist training makes me want to cry. Like sometimes I just get like so irritated. Like I'm definitely not wearing my waist trainer out, but while I'm in the house, definitely. Just left Walmart. Where are we going now?
Dollar Tree.
Yeah, we're going to Dollar Tree, and then Stop and Shop, and then back to the cribski. Back to the crib. Let you guys know that this quarantine has been like rocky for me. Like I have been in like the worst mindset ever, in like space and like just in a dark place. Then I got out of it, and I feel like I'm going back into it, and I feel like I'm just like kind of going like crazy a little too, because literally only time you can leave the house is, well, at least in my house, only time we leave the house is if we're going grocery shopping. As you all know, outside is closed. We can't do anything besides grocery shop or things like that are essential. I just feel like my days are so repetitive. I just can't take it anymore. So I decided to give myself a little task to like keep myself, I don't know, busy. So like I just want to start something that I know needs to be finished once I do. So I decided that I'm going to redo my dad's kitchen. But like I'm not an interior designer. Oh, I wish I was. Sims has prepared me since I was in 1st grade. I've literally played Sims for over 10 years. So interior designing is just in my blood because of Sims. I just thought this would be like a cool change. It's 2020, and I'm like, if anything, if they hate it, you know, you can literally just peel it off. To try my best to redo this kitchen to the best of my ability. I see, but the counter space is like super cluttered, so I want to like just make it look good and like good kitchen, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. But it's, I think, like 1:45ish. I just got back from Lowe's, but I'm about to take a nap because I'm actually tired, so I feel like I should do this with actual energy. So I'm gonna go nap, and then I will talk to you guys when I wake up. So in the next clip, when I start this project. Good morning, you guys. So right now I just have a cup of hot lemon water because you should drink this every morning right when you wake up. It's good for you. So this morning I'm going to do a hot Pilates class on Instagram Live. I just discovered that this was a thing from Emma McDonald because I was watching her like week vlog last night, and she said that like hot Pilates, if you follow them on Instagram, they do lives every day. And I looked at the schedule and there's a 10 a.m. so I decided to do that. It's around like it's around like 9:50 right now. So I'm just gonna drink this and then do hot Pilates and then make breakfast and then do the rest of my day. The main thing I'm doing today is my kitchen counters downstairs. different time zone. It's not like I forgot that time zones are a thing, but like it's 10 a.m. in Boston, which means it's 7 a.m. in Cali. So my class is at 1 that I want to take, not 10. So I'm just making us some bagels and turkey bacon because honestly I'm kind of lazy right now to make a full breakfast, and because I just want to get his school over with earlier because it's all timed. It's not timed, but it's like at your own pace basically, and I just want to finish school earlier so that we could have the whole day to do whatever, you know. And it's 10:14 right now, so if I was to make a full breakfast it'd probably not be done till like 11 something. About like 3:30, maybe 4. I just finished doing school with my nephew, so now it is the time where I'm going to start redoing this kitchen. I came to the realization that I'm actually gonna like redo this kitchen, okay? Like I'm going to do the cabinets, I'm going to change the knobs, I'm going to paint, like I'm gonna do it all. But right now I'm just gonna do the cabinets because I can do that right now. We're excited to see how this kitchen ends up turning out. It's gonna be super fun. Obviously all the blue tile, and I want to also declutter everything because it's just a super cluttered counter, and I feel like kitchens shouldn't really have a cluttered counter, you know. So this is how much space I have to work with, and yeah, there's just a lot of stuff everywhere. So this is what we're working with. And I'm gonna start by like cleaning the count. I'm starting at this one first, not that one. So I'm gonna do this and clean it off, clean the walls off. This toaster was, well, the toaster oven was there, but I'm gonna work in sections first. So I'm gonna start here, then I'm gonna go over here, and then, you know, make my way. So we're gonna make ourselves look like tattoo artists and put some black gloves on. I actually like black. Like, let me pierce your nose. I'm just kidding. I think I'm so funny, but I'm not. But I look, I'm like, I don't even know, a painter, a piercer. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Design, I don't know if you can see it, it's just this like subtle marble moment. So starting with this counter, I have these pink scissors, and we're gonna see. The color, well, the design. Oh my god, no you can't. Okay, so you can see the design. It's just a nice little marble. Okay, so I need to cut off like 1.5 inches off the side. Okay, I cut off a little too much, but it's fine. I'll just cut another sliver off of this and then add it on. Like the, cause you're supposed to like have a card and like smooth it out. I'm using this old Charlie card. And, oh, my ring light just unplugged. working my magic. I tried a part of this and I literally ripped the whole thing off because I like try to do this part and this part at the same time, but I think I'm going to literally just do the flat space and then the wall space because that's the only way I feel like it's gonna work for me personally. I know like the correct way is to like do both at the same time, like how I did that counter. And to have a white shirt on, my arms are super hairy. Sorry, quarantine, no shaving or waxing, so, well, certain areas. So this counter is complete, but like my dad told me to not worry about this part. Not really worried about, only because the stove is going there, but I just finished this little section and it's difficult because there's like peeling and also like bumps, so like you can see that it's not like an air bubble, it's literally just this. Okay, so it's 10:31 p.m. We're done, well, with what we can do right now. Because, well, I'll just show you guys. We still need to, like there's cuts like this because we still need to do this part of the wall. So you can even see it over here too. But I think it's so